Now in this next set of modules, we're really going to teach you how to get clear about what you really want and know what gets in the way. So here's where you're really going to learn how the pros develop really clear, compelling, measurable goals that actually really work. You're going to learn the difference between objective and subjective information. You'll learn how to set goals in a way where there is no funny business and there's no fuzziness. You're very clear on what it is, what you want, how you will know that you have gotten it, so you'll know when you actually get it and when you win. And then we're going to show you how to take that goal and to align it with what you value most, so you really can believe thoroughly and completely in the goal that you're working on and know that you're not going to end up sabotaging it down the road. You know, after almost 20 years of coaching so far, one of the things I've noticed is when a person sets off to pursue a goal without really thinking about how that goal fits into the rest of their life, sometimes there's what we call internal conflicts or concerns about actually getting the goal that maybe they're not consciously aware of. And these unconscious concerns can sometimes start to cause resistance or sluggishness in the process or even sabotage. And so you will learn in this second set of modules not only how to get clear on what you want, but how to make sure that what you really want is going to work out long term, fits into your life as it is, and is in alignment with what you value most. Then, as we start to teach you the art and science of how to really understand how you're getting stuck and where specifically you're getting stuck, you're going to learn that there's different actual layers or levels of change that we can take a look at. And what we do for each one of these levels is a little bit different. So we're going to start to teach you a set of skills and tools that will help you diagnostically identify where a problem really lives and then be able to know which technique to apply to really start to shift and change it. And sometimes the area that we think we need to make the change on, by learning what you're going to learn in this set of modules, you'll realize making a change on that level would just keep your wheels spinning and keep you getting stuck over and over again with what seems to be the same type of problem as it keeps coming back up over and over again. When you have something like that, where every time you seem to solve one problem, another problem comes up, chances are you're working on the wrong level. This will help you really figure that out so that you save time, you save effort, and you know that when you're taking action, it's really going to pan out. And so that'll be really incredibly important. In this set of modules, we're also going to go more into detail about, active listening, skills like backtracking. These are skills and tools to help you really give other people the sense and the genuine acknowledgement that they're really being listened to and that you really understand where they're coming from. This will not only help you communicate better with others, it'll also help you communicate better with yourself. And in this process, we're going to teach you the skills of, furthering what you learned about rapport and pacing and leading in the first set of modules, really help you start to practice that with other people and be able to continuously keep that rapport over a period of time, and then notice when they're not receiving the information quite as well and know how to adjust it. So we're going to be teaching you more about how to get along better with others here, because when you get clear about what you want, you're going to find out it's going to involve others in getting it. And so those skills and abilities to work well with others, to dovetail outcomes so that both people are happy, it will be incredibly important. And so that's also something we will cover in this set of modules. And then finally, we're going to start to teach you the skills and a set of language distinctions that made NLP famous. And it's where NLP really all began, and it's what's called the meta model. The meta model was originally developed as a way of recovering lost information between your map and my map. And brilliant therapists like Fritz Perls, Virginia Satir, and Milton Erickson were using these natural patterns of language to quickly kind of cut through the fat and get down to the actual, strategic piece of change that needed to happen for the client. And this is a skill and it is an art at the same time. So we're really going to start to teach you how to do that and how to use it and how to benefit from it personally, professionally, with yourself and with others. And that's going to be the meta model, and that will be the conclusion of this second set of modules.